Interestingly, it's quite chilly. Yeah, I'm surprised the animals are coming out to do their thing. Apparently, we didn't get to see the cheetah up close, but yeah, the cheetahs, lions, rhinos, zebras. I mean, that's the long neck thing over there. It's huge. Pretty huge, yeah? Very huge. Oops, almost tripped. Can't have that. Man, that's amazing. That really is amazing. I think you should check it out. What? Zoom, some more zoom. Okay, zoom out. Quite a distance. Please use the 11 Pro Max. Trust me. You get a better experience while going on safari. Definitely get an 11 Pro Max. Good quality, good zoom. I know I'm marketing, but hey, it's a good experience, especially with a good camera, right? See? Zoom out. Zoom in. Incroyable, unbelievable.